everyone, this is Innichka chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today, as I promised, we are making blueberry ice cream. Very simple, easy and simple ingredients. I have many recipes on my website already. Blackberries, I have vanilla and different kinds of ice cream, caramel, all kinds. I will link below, but today is blueberry. Look how beautiful, gorgeous blueberry. And the secret actually is fermented cream called crème fraiche, and I will link below everything what you need to know about crème fraiche. If you cannot make, buy it. It's very good quality. It's good, it's probiotic and gives a beautiful richness. It's delicious. I convinced you to make it. Let's do it. As you see, it's not completely thick yet, so it's not ready, but we will stick in the freezer because kids cannot wait any longer, and we'll try what I already pre-made. Delicious ice cream, yummy, and I will link below, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope I encourage you to make this ice cream.